Hey there, Licknriffers, how are you doing? If you're one of those people who like modifying their guitar and you're looking to install a new tremolo, whammy bar, fun joystick, or whatever you want to call it, and you have a guitar with a Les Paul style bridge, and if you don't have a Les Paul style bridge, then worry not. They have tremolos that fit whatever bridge you do have. Just check out this beautiful and spectacular Guyker tremolo. First of all, it's beautifully made and it's super effective, as the children used to say 20 years ago. This is just a fantastic tremolo, and having this spring allows it to go both ways without going out of tune. It's just a really comfy, easy to install, neat little tremolo that also looks fantastic. It looks like this really awesome gadget. Now, there's not much to say about tremolos or whammy bars or fun joysticks, whatever your preferred term is. Yeah, if you like to dive bomb, okay, or you want extra zest to your playing, just add something more than just the expected vibrato. Okay, the whammy bar can and it just looks amazing. It looks fantastic even when you fold it. Just, adds just that extra little bit of flair to your guitar. Of course, you can adjust it. It comes with its own Allen wrenches, and what else can I say? It's just a fantastic little modification to my guitar, and I just love the way it looks. Even if even at rest, when it's up on the wall, I just enjoy looking at it, and suddenly it makes my guitar look brand new. I just love those little tweaks and modifications. So get yourself one, the Guyker Les Paul style tremolo. Okay, the link is in the description. Thank you, Guyker, for letting me check it out and letting us Licknriffers enjoy your little contraption. And I will see you the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.